Welcome back to the channel. So y'all, today we got us some fried chicken fried. We got us some butter beans with smoked neck bones and some rice. And we got us some honey jiffy cornbread, y'all. This is my first time ever trying this cornbread. But y'all, I didn't record me cooking because y'all, girl was with. Oh my God. But yeah, y'all, I think I put too much on my plate though, but you know how those beans are spreaded, buddy. That is a lot, look like a lot. I probably ain't gonna eat all this. But yeah, y'all, so we got now chicken legs, honey jiffy cornbread, smoked neck bones, butter beans, and rice. And I can't wait to try that honey cornbread. That's my first time trying. I always get the original. Oh, and we got us some good old fruit punch. So good. Oh, don't forget about Texas peach, y'all. I need me a thumb. Y'all know I love my thumbnails now. Alright, so y'all, we got to have a Texas peach. See if y'all can see this, because I'm still on this other tripod, y'all. Oh, that's better. Okay. I gotta get a tripod. I don't even know if this stuff is decent salt or whatever, because you know your stuff be seasoned. Okay, let's try this. Y'all, this is so freaking good. I'm gonna do it though. These good old smoked neck bones. Y'all, ain't nothing like some home cooking. I don't care what nobody say. Y'all, let's see what this chicken was. Yeah, this chicken was pretty rough frying. See, I had to peel all the stuff off it and yeah. I like the beans better than chicken. The beans around. I could have just ate them. Let me try. Y'all, good. Now let me try this cornbread. This is my first time y'all trying this. It's just the honey cornbread. All the juices done when I put in my cornbread. That don't taste good. Tastes like cake. I definitely like the honey cornbread. That's good. Man, I should just got to eat too. I don't even want the chicken, y'all. But I'm gonna eat it though. The chicken's good too though. Y'all, I had to bring out a real plate for this food. I you feed on my little paper plate. I had to bring a real plate. What to do? I got some neck bones, those smoked neck bones from Piggly Wiggly, y'all. I got a video that I'm gonna post out there of me doing a grocery haul of them. I think I cannot remember the price. I think it was like $5 or $6. I don't know. That cornbread is good. I cook my smoked neck bones in the beans, y'all, first before I fry my chicken and stuff. I'm gonna get all that meat off my chicken, y'all. Y'all, that hot sauce make everything taste good. That cornbread, I'm gonna take. It's good. Yeah, that is good. Okay, give me my fruit punch. Y'all, that was good. I can't eat no more. You know, yeah, for my family, it was busting. This job was good. Y'all, I rate the beans, the smoked neck bones, and the rice a 9 out of 10. I rate that cornbread 9 out of 10. I love that cornbread. That's my first time trying it, y'all. I had already told y'all that, but that's my first time. That cornbread was good. The honey jiffy cornbread. That's my first time. That cornbread good. Tastes like cake. I get my chicken. or 8. The beans and the rice just, and the neck bones, smoked neck bones just overpowered my chicken. Y'all, it just overpowered it. And Lord, that cornbread so good. I'm about to get me another piece of cornbread. It's good. You can eat that by itself. And this fruit punch definitely is busting. It's a 9. Alright, y'all. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I'm about to get ready and clean up this kitchen. Put this food up for leftovers for tomorrow. Because we got a lot of beans and neck bones, smoked neck bones left and rice. We ain't got that much chicken though, but hey, I ain't got to have no meat. Now I realize I ain't really got to eat no chicken. That junk good. That junk good, y'all. Alright, y'all. If y'all would like to see more, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.